They packed it good enough.
More boxes.
Maybe we can get this car leaving straight now. Well, we've been waiting on anti-roll bar for Cowbell since March, and they finally got it shipped to us. This is the BMR Xtreme Anti-Roll bar, and hopefully this thing's going to 60 foot a lot better and lead straight. Well, here's everything that comes in the kit. You got the anti-roll bar, 2 different mounting spots, brackets, clamps, the links, which are adjustable. If you're driving to the left or to the right, you can adjust those. Hardware, the bushings, and these bolt to the frame, and the links mount in there. Thing you want to do is disconnect your sway bar link and get your bracket off, and we'll start from there. Next thing you want to do is remove your sway bar mount. Alright, I got the brackets installed. They bolt in those 2 bolts right there. That bolt up there you have to drill out, and I removed the shock to make it easier to drill that out. And then on this side, your brake bracket just bolts into the anti-roll bar bracket. Alright, we got the anti-roll bar installed. Finished product. This is the same anti-roll bar I use on my car, and it works great. And now we're going to show you how to set it. Alright, you want the car level whenever you do this, so I've got mine on stands so I can fit underneath the car. You only want to adjust one link at a time, so we're going to adjust the passenger link. Basically, we want it set where it's neutral, basically the least resistance, and then that's where we're going to start at, and just tighten your jam nut back up.